cheese quesadilla.
Cheese.
Yeah!
Welcome to Basti family.
Okay, what do we need?
We need cheese, but we need a plate with cheese and the quesadilla.
That's a tortilla.
Tortilla.
Let's get
But first, make sure you wash your hands. Let's put the quesadilla in the plate. It's like a pizza. So here's our tortilla.
Okay, wait a second. Let's put first cheese, okay?
Let's put cheese. Butter first.
Oh, Hunter.
Okay, here's my tortilla.
Yeah.
Butter.
Butter.
And then we're going to put cheese. I'm going to put the cheese.
You scoop some cheese.
And
Okay.
professional.
More. On one side only, okay?
Professional. And eat it.
One side only.
Look at this guy. Professional. Guys, we fold it from here, okay? From here. Guys, here is my quesadilla. We'll put it in the microwave for 2 minutes.
How many? 2
minutes. We're going to put our quesadilla in the microwave for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Hunter will close it. That's 2 minutes, okay? So we're going to have fun outside while waiting for quesadilla to like warm up.
10,
9,
8, 7, 6,
5, 4,
3, 2,
1.
Okay, don't touch it. Mommy will hold it for you.
Hi guys, we're outside from the kitchen and now we're going to taste the quesadilla. Here's my mommy to help me. She will help me with
Slice.
the cutting. She will help me slice and cut this the quesadilla. So my mom is going to do it because she will touch the plate and the plate is hot. So it's not for kids, it's only for adults, alright? So we're cutting it more so it won't be hot because it just came from the microwave, right? So there is the quesadilla. It's kind of white and it's all sliced. See, it's sliced. Okay, now we're going to taste it even if it's hot. Are we going to use our hands?
Yes.
We're going to use our So not the thing.
Yummy?
It's yummy.
Cheese quesadilla.
Cheese quesadilla. We hope you like our
Video.
Bye.
Bye.
Tell ya. yummy. BASTI, Basti family.